Hello, I'm John from New Zealand and I'm here to raise awareness for the AMMF charity. If you don't know what it is, look it up, hashtag AMMF. It's actually a cancer charity for the Cholaniocarcinoma. Long word, hard to say, nobody knows about that type of cancer. That's the whole point of this. A good friend of mine's wife, young wife, died with the cancer, and he's trying to raise awareness of the charity that looks after this and raises the awareness. AMMF, hashtag AMMF. He's come up with an idea similar to the Ice Bucket Challenge, and it's called the Lift for Lucy. Lift for Lucy, hashtag Lift for Lucy. It's challenging people to do 4 lifts, any lifts. Squats, thrusts, curls, anything. Lift 4 glasses of wine if you want, just get involved. Look up the charity, take the challenge. Video it and put it online just like I am. The reason I got involved, my son, last week challenged people. Instead of being in the gym doing the lifts, he took it onto the building site. Well, I don't go in a gym or a building site. I take my exercise out here in sunny New Zealand. So what did I think to do? I'm going to load up the kayak with ballast so that the kayak and the water ballast weighs 140 pounds, 10 stone. I would like to say that's what I weigh, but I'm a bit heavier. But that's about all I can do. I'm doing about my maximum. Give me 2 minutes while I set it up. Amuse yourself. So there we go. Hashtag Lift for Lucy. Hashtag AMMF. Look it up. 4 lifts. Take the challenge. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4. Lift for Lucy. Raise awareness, raise money. Let's kill the cancer instead of the cancer killing people. Take the challenge.